Looking for the best stick welder but not sure which one is actually worth your money? Today we're ranking 5 popular arc welders from weakest to best, so you can choose the right one with confidence. Coming in at number 5, we have the Hpoouo ARC-200. This is the most compact and lightweight welder in today's lineup, and it's clearly built for simple home projects rather than serious shop work. If you just need something small to keep in the garage for occasional repairs, this is where the ranking begins. It runs on standard 110-volt power and offers an adjustable output range up to 200 amps. You get helpful features like hot start to make striking the arc easier, arc force to help maintain stability, and anti-slack so your rod doesn't glue itself to the metal. For beginners, those features really do make a difference. And at under 4 pounds, it's incredibly easy to carry around. That said, this machine is limited. It only runs on 110 volts, so you don't get the flexibility of higher power input. The duty cycle isn't clearly stated, which makes it harder to judge how long it can weld before needing a break. Compared to the higher ranked models, it's simply more of a light-duty entry-level tool. If you're a DIY hobbyist working on thin steel and small repair jobs, this could be enough. But if you want more flexibility and room to grow, keep watching. And by the way, you'll find links to all the welders in this review at the best prices in the description under the video. At number 4, we step up slightly with the GZGUOZHI ARC-130A. On paper, the maximum output is lower at 130 amps, but it earns a higher ranking because it clearly states a 60% duty cycle at full power, which adds confidence in real-world use. It's still a compact 110-volt machine, and like the previous model, it includes hot start, arc force, and anti-stick. The digital display makes it easier to dial in your settings accurately. In my experience, having a clear display instead of a simple dial can make beginners feel much more in control. The limitation here is still power and flexibility. You're capped at 130 amps, which means thicker material welding will be more challenging compared to the 160 or 200 amp class machines coming up. And again, this is strictly 110 volt only. This welder is a solid choice for homeowners and beginners who want something slightly more confidence-inspiring than the previous option, but still very portable. If you're enjoying this breakdown so far, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future reviews. At number 3, we move into a more serious category with the DEKOPRO MMA 160. This is where dual voltage starts to make a real difference. You can run it on standard household power or switch to 220 volts for stronger, more stable performance. This welder is marketed as a 160 amp class machine, which gives you noticeably more power than the 130 amp models. The digital LCD display makes settings clear and easy to read, and the inverter design keeps it relatively efficient. Compared to the smaller units, this one feels more workshop ready rather than just portable convenience. However, some detailed specs like the exact duty cycle aren't clearly stated, which makes it harder to compare head-to-head with higher ranked options. It's also heavier than the mini welders, so portability isn't its strongest point. If you're stepping up from occasional repairs and want something more capable for thicker steel and longer weld sessions, this is where things start getting interesting. But the next 2 options push performance even further. At number 2, we have the ARCCAPTAIN ARC-200. Now we're talking about a well-rounded stick welder that blends portability with real performance. It delivers up to 200 amps and runs on both 110 and 220 volts, giving you flexibility whether you're at home or in a shop. What makes this one stand out is the combination of features. You get a solid 60% duty cycle, hot start, arc force, anti-stick, and even a safety voltage reduction feature. The synergic control helps simplify setup, which is especially useful if you're still learning how to dial in your settings. Compared to the DEKOPRO, this machine provides clearer performance expectations thanks to its published duty cycle and feature set. It feels more complete. The only real downside is that it doesn't quite reach the top spot because the final model offers slightly higher output class and added value. This is a great choice for serious hobbyists and small workshop users who want power, safety, and modern controls in one portable package. But if you want the most complete option in this lineup, let's look at number 1. Taking the top spot is the YESWELDER ARC-205 DS Pro. This model stands out as the strongest overall package in today's lineup. It's a dual voltage machine in the 205 amp class, which puts it at the highest power tier among the welders we covered. You get a clear digital display, a solid compact form factor, and a 1-year limited warranty for added peace of mind. The included power adapter makes switching between 110 and 220 volts straightforward. Compared to the others, it offers a strong balance of power, portability, and manufacturer-backed support. While detailed duty cycle numbers aren't clearly stated here, its positioning in the higher output class and overall build make it the most versatile option in this group. It's powerful enough for thicker materials, while still compact enough for home or mobile use. If you want one stick welder that gives you flexibility, strong output, and modern controls without jumping into heavy industrial pricing, this is the one I'd recommend most confidently. If you're serious about finding the right stick welder, check out the top rated options using the links in the description under the video. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our next in-depth tool review.